In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw Lazpaylater. So to get started, go ahead and open Lazada on your device. Make sure that you have the Lazada app installed on your device. So go ahead and look for that app on your device and open that. Now once you're on the Lazada app, head over into your Accounts tab by clicking on the Accounts tab at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down and in here you'll be able to find your Lazpaylater under your Lazada wallet. Click on that and head over into your Lazpaylater account. So make sure that you have your Lazpaylater account activated. And once you have activated your Lazpaylater account, you'll be able to find the option of withdrawing it into this section. So make sure that you activate your Lazpaylater account by clicking on that activate button. To activate that, you'll need to provide your valid ID and fill up a form to prove that you can pay if you avail this. That is basically how you can withdraw your Lazpaylater. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.